Hey parents, today as we discuss a topic close to many of our hearts, saying goodbye to the pacifier. It's a journey full of ups and downs, but fear not, because I have got strategies to make this transition as gentle as bedtime lullabies. Before we get into it, let's talk about why weaning off the pacifier is crucial for our little one. Pacifier are like magical soother, but using them for too long can affect speech and teeth development. So let's embark on this adventure together, helping our toddlers grow and bid farewell to their pacifier buddy. Number 1, choose the right time. First thing first, timing is everything. Choose a period when your toddler is feeling secure and relatively calm. Avoid stressful times like starting a new routine or dealing with a big changes. The goal is to make this transition a smooth sail for both of you. Number 2, now on to gradual reduction method. Rather than abrupt withdrawal, let's take it slow. Started by limiting the pacifier to specific times like bedtime or nap time. This helps your little one get used to the idea of not having their pacifier around 24/7. Number 3, introduce comfort items. Introduce soft blanket, cuddly stuffed animal, or a cozy bedtime routine to help fill the pacifier shaped void. Creating positive association with these items can make the transition more comforting for your baby. Number 4, distraction techniques. Distraction are secret weapon. Whenever your toddler reaches for the pacifier, whisk them away into a world of play and joy. Engage them with toys or activities that capture their imagination, making them forget all about the pacifier in the process. Number 5, positive reinforcement. Now on to positive reinforcement. A little celebration never hurts anyone. Create a colorful reward chart where your toddler earns stickers or tiny treats for each pacifier-free day. Celebrate their achievements and turn this into a fun, positive experience. Number 6, involve your toddler in the process. Let's make your toddler feel like the hero of their story. Involve them in the process by letting them be part of the pacifier farewell. Whether it's throwing them away together or donating them to a pacifier fairy, giving them control makes it an empowering experience. Number 7, be patient and consistent. Patience is our guiding star. Remember, this is a significant change for your toddler. Be patient through the challenging moments and know you are doing an incredible job. Number 8, create a pacifier-free zone. Creating a special pacifier-free zone. Designate certain areas like living room or play area as pacifier-free zone. This helps your toddler associate specific spaces with not using pacifier, making it easier for them to adapt gradually. Number 9, establish a consistent bedtime routine. Bedtime routines are magical. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine can work wonder during pacifier weaning process. Create a calming sequence of activities like reading a favorite story, gentle lullabies, or cuddle time. The routine become a comforting replacement for the pacifier and ease your toddler into a peaceful sleep. Number 10, seeking support and sharing stories. Parenting can be challenging and you are not alone on this journey. Connect with other parents, either online or in your community, to share experience and gain valuable insights. Remember, every toddler is unique and hearing different stories might just spark that aha moment for you. Share your thoughts, questions, or even more strategies in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more parenting wisdom. Until next time, happy parenting and gentle goodbye.